How to set up recurring grocery on Walmart. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to do so on Walmart. Let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that we can go to the Walmart application of the website. You can just go over and open up any of the one that you prefer and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Once you've done so, what we can do is we can find up the grocery item. So here we can search for the grocery items such as milk, rice, snack, etc. So go ahead and find the specific item that you would add to cart. And the thing is, not everything is available for subscription. So you can look out for the option called subscription or subscribe, something like that. And when you do, you will be finding the products that will have subscription. So go ahead and find the product, the milk, for example, and choose the option called subscribe here and click on it. And you can pick up how you want the delivery available. So first of all, you need to be logged in for that. And once you select that option called subscribe, it will give us an option for every week, 2 weeks, monthly, based on the product itself. And Walmart will automatically reorder or deliver based on your schedule. You can choose up the delivery option. You can choose up a delivery address and deliver time slot. Some fresh grocery items require scheduled delivery window. After that is done, you can basically go out with the payment process. You may need to enter up the card or the payment options available. Go ahead and follow the process, and Walmart will automatically charge you each time before delivery. And you can confirm auto subscription, and your groceries will now arrive automatically. It is just that easy. Once you've done so, Walmart sends you a reminder before each of the delivery. You can skip the delivery, change items or frequency, or cancel anytime, and all of this is managed inside my subscriptions in your account. And that is it, everybody. This is how you should be able to set up the recurring grocery on Walmart. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.